Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, there's a few things I'm going to talk about today. But first, I'm going to talk about Grangeville High School. I remember about what? I think it was 2 days ago. I was talking about an incident with two students coming from sports day, and one of them get killed and the other one is in hospital right now as I speak. Well, Grangeville High School moved classes online following schoolboy murder. When I hear that? Yes, man. So what the government decide to do, then decide to take it online, because guess what? The place I get rough. Right now, you can't trust nobody right now, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, man. So the school them closed down at Westmoreland. So let me just read this out for you so you can have a more understanding of what is happening. So face-to-face classes were suspended at Grangeville High in Westmoreland on Friday, following a shooting incident on Thursday, which left a male student dead and a female student in hospital. Education Minister Favour Williams confirmed Friday morning that the day's lessons were delivered to students via the online modality. The male student, 16-year-old Carson Barrett, was shot and killed, while his 15-year-old female schoolmate was shot and injured. The Westmoreland police say the incident is related to an ongoing gang war in Grangeville. Minister Williams is appealing for calm in Grangeville. My viewers and subscribers, and I hear that the police, they must say basically it's a gang thing. When the family of the boy is saying something different, they must say they don't believe say he's in any gang. Them feel like it a come from some woman vibe. You understand? So basically you must have some woman, and this is what the family is saying. I don't know how true it is, my viewers and subscribers. I just deliver the message. Can't know already say I'm the messenger around here. Anyway, wanna tell me if that was a good thing they do, because I think closing the school, yes, it is a good idea, because nobody know what can happen afterwards. You understand? So are they going to keep the school closed for few more days or more weeks coming, or what they're going to do? You see, this is the thing the government have to look into, and try to put something in place, because the place just get out of hand. Because if the family is saying, yeah, remember this boy is a 16-year-old, yeah, that passed away, yeah, that got killed. He's only 16. And if a really woman vibe, listen, like literally 16-year-old should be studied, not no woman business, vice versa. No 16-year-old girl no fear think about no man, and no 16-year-old boy no fear think about no woman. But anyway, in Jamaica, you know, so for them consent of having boyfriend and girlfriend start from the age of 16. And the government needs to change that. The government needs to change that, my viewers and subscribers. You understand? Because that is too early. They need to put it at 18. It is very, very too early, my wisdom warriors. And may I go make you take in Damion Crawford. Hear what Damion Crawford have to say.
A whopping total of 59,591 births to adolescents were recorded between 2009 and 2019. In 10 years in Jamaica, based on Statistical Institute information, 60,000 young women, underage women, girls, proper term, had a baby, not get pregnant. It not include abortion and all of that. They said gave birth. 60,000 young girls. gave birth. So, Mr. President,
My wisdom warriors, so wanna hear that? Wanna hear that? 60,000. Ah, Jesus. No, sir. Them hotter than the adult them. Seriously. This is why I always say the age of consent need to change. You understand? All right. Hear more.
I would like to recommend that this time, knowing that we intend for a 7-year secondary school experience, that it is sensible to review the age of consent from 16 to 18. Because if we want them to be in school, then sex creates a risk.
My wisdom warriors, if you agree with Damion Crawford say, you right agree. I true the man attack. 16-year-old of consent is too young. The government need to change that. That him need to do move it from 16 and put it at 18. You understand? This is what, listen, a whole heap of young people dead, you know, over woman, you know, a whole heap of young boy, you know, dead over woman, you know. You understand? Whole heap of young boy dead over woman. But as I said, I'm only showing on this video. And as I said before, I'm not sure if I saw it go with the family, what the family said. Because apparently the family said them don't know of him in any gang. But they know say him a date somebody and them feel like a deso it a come from. Una understand me now? Right, that's so. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, una tell me one thing and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Here, this. My wisdom warriors. Una no say Andrew Holness come out. Andrew Holness came out and said he condemned the killing of the youth down at Westmoreland. Okay, we hear you, Andrew Holness. We understand you. We want to come out and talk about the water where the people there have also down at Westmoreland and Hanover. We want to hear from you because you're quiet. From what day you're quiet. You understand? You know, come out and say nothing. The people there not get no water. We don't hear you come out and say nothing about that Andrew Holness. You're quiet on that topic there. The people they need water. You know what Matter Samuda is doing. And you come out and you say nothing. Because you don't care about the Jamaican people. Me come and me talk about all the time. One of the things that this is going to be a 9-day wonder. The people that, listen, the people they don't have no water from last year. And now it's getting worse. And even Matter Samuda, the one will come out and say over the next 2 months, it will go worse. So how the people them are going to get water? Amber came out and Amber is talking on the behalf of the Westmoreland and the Hanover people them because she live down there. And look what happened to her. Look what happened to her just because she's speaking up for the people. This is why a lot of people come out and say they're afraid to do this. They're afraid because they don't want Andrew Holness send man for come KILL them. And that the people them must say. This is what the people they are saying. I tell me say I lie, the people them I tell. The people then say they're afraid to come out and talk. You understand? Because they're afraid of the Prime Minister. Because they see what take place during the pandemic and before the pandemic. They see what take place. You understand? So the people they're afraid and them as something is unacceptable. You think so we are going to forget about it? We think so we're going to forget about the water. You really think so this is going to be a 9-day hit? It's not going to be a 9-day hit, Andrew Holness. We know what we do. We not try this track way. That's why you come out and you come go on like you're good somebody. You condemn this, you condemn that. Why you not come out and say you condemn what Matter Samuda do? Why you not come out and say that, Andrew Holness? And that we want you to come out and talk about. If you come out and talk, say you condemn what Matter Samuda do allegedly to Amber. Them as something is unacceptable. You understand me? And me keep telling the people them say go out and protest. Go and protest. You understand? You need water. You don't need water. Westmoreland people who are listening to me. Hanover people who are listening to me. You don't need water. And that me ask you. You're afraid to go out and protest to get little water. So now tell me I'm afraid of Andrew. Mighty God. And at this, you don't go vote for Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness you not vote for. Uno really cock up and a vote for Andrew Holness. Somebody don't care. We don't care about uno. None at all whatsoever. At least somebody came out and speak on the behalf of uno, you know. And uno have no water. Uno go protest for her. Seriously. Uno need water. Uno no need water. No for uno have drum and don't have water. Same thing me say my viewers and subscribers. I said it about a month ago. Or a month and a half ago when me hear say them I go give a tank. When me say If you don't remember good, me say what will happen? Them a go on the tank and you not have no water and a PSL them a go sell no water. And so say, so done. And that them do. You understand me? Come see me be very observant when it come on to Andrew Wellness administration. And what them a try do now, them a try distract people. And I try change the way how them do things. But me I see right through Uno. When I try distract the people them and it now go work, it's not going to work. My wisdom warriors, Uno tell me how you feel about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The NCB Financial Group plans to raise $5 billion in its additional public offer with the option to upsize to $7.5 billion. NCB Financial has placed considerable and deliberate focus on future-proofing its businesses, and in most instances, the enabling strategies require some degree of patient capital, stated Chairman Michael Leachin in the prospectus. So my viewers and subscribers, right now, what the people them are ask about right now, them are ask about their money. The customer them are ask how them are going to get back their money. Because when I read the comments, a lot of people were fuming. Them are fume bad. Them angry, them upset. They say they can't bother with this a bank here because all now they not get back their money. You understand me? So when Uno, I go look into it and give the customer them back their money. We not hear nothing about that. And that we want to hear about. We want to hear the date when we not go give back the people them their money. We don't have whole heap of money. So why not giving back the customer them their money? And remember saying, no, every single bank insure. Every single bank insure. My wisdom warriors, these people, I just don't understand them. I don't understand them. So NCB, you know already say I'm the messenger. The customers want to know when will they receive their money. The money will miss out of them account. They not hear nothing about that. You understand? You always think say it's this thing is a 9-hit wonder. If people they want back their money, the customer they're crying out. You understand? They're crying out. And the only person must stand up in a parliament is Fix Jackson talking about it. And all now the government now come out and say nothing. Nigel Clark him worse. Me tell you, so they don't care. Me keep telling you, so they do not care. They don't care. And I hope you realize, say the government not care none at all. So my wisdom warriors, storm up the comment section for me now. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.